Hi, we have completed the implementation of the homepage, of the build form page, but our results page is still not yet complete. So let's go to our code and add a new HTML file. Let's say results, and an HTML page will be created by default. Now in the body we want to create maybe a sentence, or let's say name1, so a variable we are creating here in the HTML file, paste another new variable, and we do the same in here, name2 paste amount2. Sorry, this would be amount1, that would be amount2, two different variables. Maybe a break tag here to have these two lines separated. And I would like to split this vertically and show you the main.py file. Go to the results page and return a render template function, which we call, and here we pass the result.html page, that file. And we need to give some variables here, just like we did with the form page. For example, we gave the build form to that page. Let me show you quickly. So the build form variable, which contained the build form object instance. Okay, so we do the same here, but this time it would be name1 equal to flatmate1.name. Let me split the line, a comma, split again, amount1 equal to flatmate1.paste. So we are executing that paste method, giving the bill and flatmate2, the bill and flatmate2 object instance. Right, then another comma, name2 equal to flatmate2.name, a comma, amount2 equal to flatmate2 dot, so how much does flatmate2 pays? We can calculate that using the bill and flatmate1. Yep, so name1 goes there, amount1 goes there, name2 goes in here, and amount2 goes in here. I hope this should be fine, but I need to check. Go to the home page, to the build page, calculate. Looks fine. So John pays 62.5, Mary pays 37.5. If we sum those two up, we get 100, which makes sense. And that's our complete app. Now, of course, the app doesn't look so good because it doesn't have CSS styling. So it looks like a very old school web page. To make it shiny, you need to add some CSS code, and I'm not going to teach you CSS, but I can give you a kickstart, a little guidance by adding some CSS styling to our actual app. So let's do that in the next video. See you.